Hey y'all, welcome back to At Memaw's house. Tonight we're going to be putting together my hot cocoa bar. But before we do that, Ari is going to put together, or I'm going to show her how to make some hot cocoa balls. You'll see that on her channel. We're doing a little bit of a collaboration. And then I will put together some hot cocoa discs or pucks and some chocolate covered spoons so that you can add it to your coffee bar. I hope it inspires you, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. So let's go ahead and get in my kitchen. Gotta go get my apron on. See you in a minute. Hey y'all. So you know that Ari has started making, and I was helping her make those little balls, cocoa balls.
Hey guys.
That we got from over at, where did we get them from? Marshall's? TJ Maxx?
No, what's that place? Craft store?
Michael's. So we got that package from Michael's, and she has her balls in the refrigerator waiting right now and cooling so that we can put the hot cocoa mix in. In the meanwhile, I'm going to cover some spoons because we like to have chocolate covered spoons on our coffee bar, our cocoa bar. So what I'm going to do is just take a regular old Dollar Tree spoon and we're going to cover it in that chocolate. So the chocolate that I have are these meltables, and we did get those from Michael's, and I'm going to put them in the microwave. Now my microwave will allow me to just put on that I'm melting. So we've already melted some chocolate for Ari's video and for her little cocoa balls, but I'm going to go ahead and melt, and I'm going to melt chocolate chips, and I'm melting 6 ounces. And that will run for 1 minute and 36 seconds. Okay, it's telling me to stir my food. So the chocolate is fully melted, and now it's time to dip my spoons. So I'm going to do this for about a dozen spoons, and I'm going to make sure that I leave a good coating on, pretty thick, on each spoon. Now I'm going to sprinkle each spoon with a dusting of crushed peppermint. And you see I have a peppermint stick there. I just crushed a couple of them. And I think these are 2 peppermint sticks that I've crushed. Now I've grabbed the marshmallows, and I'm going to put a couple of marshmallows on each spoon. right, so we have dipped all of our spoons. We've coated it in chocolate. We put the marshmallows on and the crushed peppermint. Now I'm going to, because these spoons are ready to move, see how easy they come off the wax or the parchment paper. And if I lose a couple pieces of peppermint, that's fine, because the chocolate is seasoned
Absorbing.
with peppermint. It has peppermint flavor in it. Oh, I lost the marshmallow. Okay, so now we can actually wrap these up or store them in the refrigerator so that I can put them on my coffee bar or my cocoa bar. So let's do one more thing, and then we can go do my coffee. I keep calling it a coffee bar. Go do my cocoa bar, because, you know, we like coffee at this house, but the children like cocoa. Nonetheless,
Yes.
You didn't ask for all that. We're going to do this cocoa bar, coffee bar, whatever it is that I'm calling it. Come on. So here I've melted 6 more ounces of the chocolate wafers, and I am putting them in mini muffin tins that I have sprayed with an oil spray, a butter spray. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the spoons. I'm going to sprinkle it with the rest of the crushed peppermint and put a couple of marshmallows on it. I hate for my stuff to go to waste, so that's why I'm using up all this peppermint. Once this is done, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so that it can chill for about 10 minutes.
I came up with the name Hot Chocolate Pucks. My credit.
She had to take credit for it. Anyway, so while my hot chocolate pucks are getting done or cooling in the refrigerator, let's go ahead and set up my hot chocolate bar.
I hope I was going to put together the hot chocolate bar.
She is way too excited about this whole hot cocoa bar. I have some items here that I'm assembling, and the one jar that I got, I did get that from Dollar Tree, that I'm putting my peppermint sticks in, and it fits the peppermint sticks perfectly. I also have some Swiss Miss packets, cocoa packets there, that are Lucky Charms that the children wanted. They wanted those marshmallows, so we thought we'd give it a try. So now I'm getting some sprinkles in the jar. I've already jarred the marshmallows from the Lucky Charms. And I'm going to grab a couple of tea bags out of the drawer, because you got to have every kind of hot drink that you can have on a hot cocoa bar. I got this little sign from Target in the dollar spot, and I thought it was cute, so I added that to my bar. So I realized that that particular jar was a little bit too big for my taste for the marshmallows, so I'm going to change them out. I got these little jars for spices and from Amazon. So I'll see if I can link it below so that you can see where I got those or how much they cost and that information. Okay, so I decided not to put the hot cocoa mix on the plate, and that's apple cider. So I decided to put some of the chocolate covered spoons on the plate. I don't want the plate to be covered with those packages. I want you to be able to see the plate. So I'll take these out, put them on the cocoa bar, and show you the finished product.
Here's what the cocoa bar looks like. We've got some cocoa pucks and some cocoa spoons and some sprinkles, some candy canes, everything you can imagine for some hot chocolate.
Okay, y'all, so you see my hot cocoa bar. I'm going to heat up some water for my apple cider because that's what the great one wants. But we're heating up milk and we're getting ready to have some hot chocolate. So me and the girls are doing this. Go to Ari's world, see her make her one ball that we made, and join in with the fun for us. I hope that this inspires you to do something fun with your children or your grandbabies or whomever for the holidays.
And make sure to subscribe to Memaw's house for more loving family content.
Oh, Lord. See y'all. Be blessed. Bye.
We are going to drink the hot chocolate and go watch a movie. 3, 2, 1. Oh, oh no. Am I done mine in here?
Yes.
All right, now we have to wait and it's going to melt and it's going to look at it. Oh my goodness.
Look at mine.
Look at that. So awesome.
Look at mine.
Wow, it looks so cool. All right, and now we need to mix it up. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious.
Mine's turning.
Oh my goodness, it's changing colors.
Mine too.
I'm making a mess.
Chocolate. I'm going to drink mine.
Ooh. All right, take a sip, Hayden.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.